Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to unbox Xiaomi's USB 4.0 USB-C cable. The box is simple. Inside, there are a few pieces of documentation with some important information. And this is what I'm talking about. The cable isn't folded or crammed into the box. It's neatly coiled instead. First impressions are definitely positive. It gives a particularly premium feel. Due to the standard it supports, the cable is quite thick, but it's still very flexible and doesn't feel stiff. Here's a comparison with Xiaomi's standard 100-watt cable. And now, I'm going to test it with a 65-watt Xiaomi GAN charger. I'd also like to mention that the reinforced connector neck should help prevent the cable from breaking or fraying near the connector. The textured fabric feels pleasant to the touch, and on top of that, it supports up to 240 watts power delivery and data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. Overall, I think it's fair to say that this product offers outstanding quality at a very reasonable price.